Your skin is actually a secondary detox pathway, and so is your sinuses. So just think if your primary eliminatory organs, like your lungs, your liver, your large intestines, if any of those are compromised, your secondary drainage pathways, such as your skin and your sinuses, and perhaps even your reproductive organs, may be affected. In fact, the skin is the largest detox organ with over 60% of what it touches, it actually absorbs. And most people overlook these detox signs until they become chronic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say I went to school so you don't have to. So let's chat about your secondary detox pathways, which are often ignored until they scream at you. So again, your secondary detox pathways are your skin, your sinuses, and your reproductive organs. So chronic sinus infections, allergies, skin breakouts, eczema, all of that is your secondary detox pathways screaming at you, telling you that you're overly toxic. Some common detox signs include body odor, rashes, acne, bad breath, and even congestion. So, how does sweat, mucus, and skin communicate about your toxic burden? Naturally, your sweat is going to have an odor to it. You're going to be profuse, mucus abound in your sinuses and everywhere else. And then your skin not looking bright, not looking beautiful, but really looking overly toxic. So there's a liver, lung, and lymph connection that is explained when we look at the connection between your respiration, exchanging of toxins and nutrients, also how that processes through the liver, and then lastly, through your lymph, which I always like to call your reservoir system. So in week 3 of Intro to Holistic Medicine, we're learning all about subjective data, and we're using an organ mapping worksheet to connect your symptoms to your toxic burden. So if you want to learn subjective and objective tools, scientific evidence to prove or disprove your need for detoxification, or if your detox program is actually working, go ahead and check the link in the bio. And check out Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, Detoxification and Elimination. We have a BOGO offer right now, adding in Intro 1, which is all about nutrient deficiencies. And of course, as always, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more.